The key to efficiently read 8th and 16th notes is to learn how to read them in groups. So in this episode, we are going to practice the commonly used 8th and 16th note combinations that will help you in your sight reading exercises. 8th and 16th notes can be intimidating, especially if you see a lot of them in your sheet music. That is because of the speed required to read them, which is relatively faster compared to quarter, half, and whole notes. Although there's really no other way to acquire the skill but to practice and practice some more, we can make reading easier and faster once we learn how to interpret them in clusters or groups. The following are the 6 most common combinations of 8th and 16th notes grouped in a quarter note value that we are going to practice today. Before we begin, bear in mind how notes are further divided into small units. A quarter note divides into 2 8th notes and 2 8th notes into 4 16th notes. For recitation purposes, let's assign the syllables D for units where 8th notes are represented and RI for units representing 16th notes. Pay attention as well to the sound of the metronome to keep you in steady pace while you recite. Let's begin. 4 16th notes. An 8th note and 2 16th notes. Two 16th notes and an 8th note. A dotted 8th and a 16th note. A 16th and a dotted 8th note. And 2 16th notes with an 8th note in between. Now, let's practice some examples of different combinations written in one rhythmic line. One more time. Another example. Let's do that once more. You can practice alone or play a reading game with your friends by creating your own rhythmic lines using these combinations. Just ensure to keep a steady pace while reciting. Use a metronome starting from a slow tempo, then gradually increase once you're ready. If you've enjoyed this video and would like more contents like this, subscribe to Vid's Music.